The most common database design mistake? Storing multiple values in a single column. This violates first normal form and breaks everything from queries to data integrity. Let's see what 1NF actually requires. Rule number 1. Each column must hold atomic, indivisible values. No lists, no comma-separated strings, no repeating groups. If you're storing phone numbers as 15551234, 555986, you're violating 1NF. Each phone number needs its own row. This is atomicity. Every cell contains exactly one value that cannot be meaningfully broken down further. Rule 2. Every row must be uniquely identifiable. You need a primary key or some combination of columns that guarantees no two rows are identical. Without this, you can't reliably update or delete specific records. The database needs a way to point at one exact row and say that's the one I mean. 2 more quick rules. 3. Each column must contain values of a single type or domain. Don't mix dates and strings in the same column. And 4. The order of rows and columns shouldn't matter. Your queries can't rely on position. These rules ensure consistency and predictability. Here's a classic violation. A customer's table with a phone numbers column storing 15551234, 555986. To fix it, create a separate customer phones table with customer ID and phone number columns. Now each phone is its own row, atomic and queryable. That's first normal form in action. Remember, atomic values, unique identifiers, single types, and order independence. Master 1NF and you'll avoid the most common database design pitfalls. Now go normalize your data. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.